I chose auto body repair because I like to work on cars, and we work on cars here. We weld, paint, fix the dents. My favorite thing to do in auto body repair is fix the dents and paint it so it looks good. The vehicle looks good on the road. He or she should do it because you're going to learn a lot about cars here, and then it's going to be helpful for you because you're saving up on a student loan. You're not paying for a student loan because it's going to cost you a lot to go to college for this, and you're getting it for free right here.
Hi, I'm Beth Weaver. I'm the dealer at Rick Weaver Buick GMC. At our car dealership, we have a body shop and a service department with no shortage of work, except we do have a shortage of trained technicians. The entire industry across the country is experiencing this shortage. For any ECTS graduate who wanted to come to our dealership to learn more, we have the perfect environment where we have trained technicians, a variety of skill levels that want to teach. We've had graduates come and they've thrived. We really like graduates from ECTS.